Continuing on, CNC Group Break number 2596. We're on to the 12-13 Retro and 13-14 Series 1. We start with an autographics for the Florida Panthers, Sean Matthias. Playmakers Theater, number to 100 for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Skybox autograph for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikolai Kulemin. Flair Showcase for the Bruins, Tyler Seguin. Retro for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. Flair Showcase for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Retro for the Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Metal Universe for the Dallas Stars, Brett Hull. Retro for the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Metal Universe for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Retro for the Canadiens, Carey Price. Metal Universe for the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. Retro for the Canadiens, Carey Price. Electrifying insert for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Finish the retro with an autographics for the Phoenix Coyotes, Lori Korpikoski. Bull Corporal. Now onto the 13-14 Series 1. Hockey Heroes for the Edmonton Oilers, Paul Coffey. Canvas for the Dallas Stars, Kari Lettinen. Young Guns for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Alex Killorn. Base. Canvas for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Shining Stars for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Hockey Heroes for the Edmonton Oilers, Yari Curry. Canvas for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sergei Bobrovsky. Young Guns for the Vancouver Canucks, Nicholas Jensen. She would call right in the middle of a box. MVP for the Stars, Kari Lettinen. Canvas for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. Shining Stars for the Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Base. Young Guns for the Minnesota Wild, Justin Fontaine. MVP rookie for the St. Louis Blues, the Vladimir Tarasenko. game jersey for the Florida Panthers, Jose Theodore. MVP for the Sabres, Dominic Hasek. Young Guns for the New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. We've got a Hockey Heroes autograph. Numbered 14 of 15. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Hockey Heroes autograph. Numbered 14 of 15 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Well then, that is going to be hard to top this break. Wow. Young Guns for the Dallas Stars, Alex Chason. MVP for the Kings, Jonathan Quick. Upper Deck game jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. MVP for the Bruins, CloutsnChara. And a Young Guns for the San Jose Sharks, Matt Nieto. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Luxury Suite and Draft Prospects coming up.